Okay, question 19 offers us spheres and cones. We've got a frustrum, which is made by cutting off the top of a cone from a larger cone, and that frustrum is then cut out of a hemisphere, and we've got to work out what volume remains from the hemispherical solid shape. We've been given all the dimensions. The overall height of the larger cone is 15, so I can add this dimension to the diagram that the smaller cone that we are going to chop off has a height of 10 centimetres. And we've been asked to calculate this and giving our answer to correct to 3 significant figures. Now that will probably mean calculating pi into the answer, but for the moment all our calculations should have pi left in them. So let's first of all do the volumes of both the large cone and the small cone. We've been given the formula, so plugging in our values, this will be a third pi. R squared of the large cone is 12 squared, and the height 15. One small cancellation there, and without multiplying pi into it, I get 720 pi. Okay, now the volume of the small cone. Again, a third pi. Well, its radius will be given by the length scale factor. So the length scale factor, large to small, will be equal to 10 over 15. The height of the small one compared with the height of the big one. So this gives an answer of 2 over 3. Which means the radius will also come down by a factor of 2 over 3. So our old radius of 12 will be multiplied by 2 over 3. And this will equal 8. And that'll be the radius of the small cone. So we can now put that into our formula here. This will be 8 squared multiplied by the height of the cone, which is 10. And if you work that out, leaving pi in the equation, you get 640 divided by 3 pi. So going on, so we might as well get the volume of the frustrum. And that's going to be equal to the volume of the large one, which is 720, minus 640 over 3, and this will be multiplied by pi. And simplifying that, you get 1520 divided by 3 pi. We're well on the way. Now we need to do the volume of a hemisphere, radius 12. And the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So we need half of this. So this is 4 over 6 pi. Now r is 12, so this will be 12 cubed. And simplifying that as we've done the others, this is 1152 pi. So the required volume will be the volume of the hemisphere, 1152 pi, minus the volume of the frustrum, which is 1520 pi by 3. So if you put that into a calculator and reduce it to 3 significant figures, you get 2030 centimeters cubed, and that is to 3 significant figures. And that's the answer to question 19. And that would earn you 4 marks.